So we are at least in Canigao, that little island. It's wonderful here. But let's look first the beauties from Plaridel. Yeah. So, and that's the island. That color is wonderful. We take a bath later. Look how clear is the water. It's really so nice here, nice and warm. My God. That's a very little island. You see that's around maybe 200 meters long, 100 meters wide. That's it. People come here to have a nice time. So they have some little bungalows. You can rent them for around 20 euros each. And you can make your own party. There's a barbecue place there. Toilets is also here. So everything is good and made that you can really have a good time. And the girls, they are dancing already. They enjoy this time. That's my beauty.
Ba't may nagbibibitan dito?